Hi, this is Manthan from Scrapingdog.com, and in this video, I will explain you what is the difference between a request and a credit. So right now, I am on my Google search scraper, and once you sign up for the free trial, you get total 1,000 credits for free. Let's say I just want to scrape, a Google data from Google.com. So for this particular request, you will be charged 10 credits for one single request. Now, what is this 10 is the total cost of this particular request. Now, of course, every API has its own cost. Like, for example, if you go to Amazon product scraper, it will cost one credit. So this is the cost of Amazon scraper for one request. Similarly, if you go to, let's say LinkedIn profile scraper, then this API requires to have 100 credits minimum to make one request. So this is the difference between a request and a credit. Uh, that's it for now. And if you have any questions regarding any of our API, you can just email us at info@scrapingdog.com. Thank you.